Hello, my adoring fans. This is the only well-cooked meal I had today because Maddie has gone back to Essex. And this evening I was cooking my own food and I don't know, I think I made a mess of it. I've become too reliant upon Maddie, I think. Maybe I'm going to need to put some tariffs on food. No, that's stupid. I approve of free food trade. Anyway, I saw some rather odd... I think these two people are famous on TikTok. I don't know why one of them is carrying a cross. Probably some Easter stuff. But I went off to go drop some textiles in the textile recycling bin. This is after Maddie had gone. But apart from this little journey, also to Tesco, via these cats, I didn't really do much except for just continue my World of Warcraft honor grind. It is the last week of 500,000 honour, and then it's only 418,000 honour for 2 more weeks. So putting in a bit of a shift because Saturday and Sunday I am going to be down in Essex seeing Maddie's family. A bit earlier than I thought as well. So lucky I did all this time now, really. But yeah, here's my huge bowl of food, but it wasn't very tasty. And then I outsourced the grinding to Solo this evening. So yeah, there you go. Anyway, I hope you all had a good day.